Hey everyone, my name is Ayush. I want to start with a reality check. Crypto trading today is broken. It's not because our tools are bad, it's because our intelligence is fragmented. If you are a serious trader, you are currently living in a table, jumping between Binance for price, Bird Eye for on-chain flows, liquidation on CoinGlass, yield on Radium or Sanctum, then doing spot and leverage at Jupiter, and on the way checking the sentiments at Twitter or your friend's Telegram group just to make sure you aren't getting red. So basically, you are just trading your life for an alpha. That's why we built Elyra, a multi-agentic orchestration layer designed to automate the entire hedge fund lifecycle and give you back your capital autonomy. Elyra basically replaces the traditional 50 analyst model with 50 autonomous agents that handle discovery, alpha finding, management, and incentivization. It's an agentic trading layer, hence AI calls all the endpoints with on-chain protocols. Currently, we process 10 plus protocols with 150 plus protocols in the pipeline. As you can see in these spreadsheets, we have put our models through testing and found a lot of anomalies there. And we're trying to fix those. We created a system where multiple independent intelligence layers actually compete to reach a decision and have the power to veto. We found that by using the models like Claude, Gemini, Grok, and Kimi by Alibaba into our multi-agentic stack, and we found out our multi-agentic stack perform better than the individual stack out there and have report and thesis around that. This brings us to the core of the product, the DSE engine. It stands for Discovery, Strategy, Execution, Attribution. First, our agents are scanning 24/7, watching whale movements and funding anomalies, so you don't have to. Second, you set the strategy, you define the rules, the asset, and the risk. Third, execution is when you native on Solana, meaning we hit Jupiter or Hyperliquid for the best prices. And finally, attribution. Every single move is logged, so you can exactly see why a trade happened. The best part, we keep you in the loop, which means human in the loop. Our system shows you a preview of every trade first, and we enforce a hard 5% portfolio exposure cap. You can check out the result in the following answers. You can see the trade snapshot, the Jupyter plugin, the market context, the edge, the risk matrix, the trade plan, scenario switches. And then the second query was compare BTC perf with Sol perf funding and a open interest regime. You can see the trade snapshots, the market context, edges, risk matrix, trade plans, scenario, and the backtest and the final call. And unlike traditional platforms, we are building a dedicated cloud environment for every single user, which means you get your own accelerated trading environment where your agents run 24/7 on the OpenClaw intelligence stack. And we have backtested it with more than 20 plus prompts and it gave better results every time. We made a report around it as well. We also wanted to make sure that the foundation was academically sound. We actually took our thesis on decentralizing sovereign capital to ICID SST 2026 conference. Out of over 450 papers presented and thousands of participants, we walked away with the Best Paper Award. Next up, we will be applying for the design patents for Elyra. This basically validates our approach of replacing the traditional 50 analyst institutional model with 50 autonomous agents. And we know not everyone wants to stare at a dashboard all day, so we built Lisi, our open claw intelligence bot on Telegram. Lisi isn't just a fast way to click buy, it's natural language interface that understood intent. One of its most powerful feature is the shadow map agent. It literally scraps SEC and UCC filings to find hidden debt drops and systematic risk that legacy firms usually miss. We are basically giving individual traders an institutional grade intelligence pipeline right into their pocket. It can give you the arbitrage opportunities on poly market with the URL and the uh, markets to buy. It can create quant trade decision. It has skills around quant trades, cross market pubs explorer where it can explore pubs market across crypto stocks, commodities, oil. It have hedge fund skills where you can evaluate the next trade like a professional desk where we are bringing the institutional grade intelligence pipeline right into the pockets of everyone. And these are the token analysis on Radium, Jupiter, and the liquidity risk. You can run your DIX aware LP safety analysis via Radium, via Orca, Whirlpool pools, etc. Finally, we have our execution powerhouse, the perp spot. We are talking professional grade derivatives up to 150x leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum and 100x on Solana. Because we are building on Solana, we are catching that high velocity and sufficient fee structure to run a high frequency engine that actually scales. We are integrating over 150 tools into this ecosystem from prediction market to deep social analytics. The goal is very simple. Stop trading your life for alpha, set your goals, let Elyra handle the labor, and let your capital start walking while you sleep. Thank you very much.